Hello Stampers! Welcome to this week's video. So all of this month on my videos, I have been showcasing the Be Mine suite from Stampin' Up! From their new mini catalog. So I've got one fun fold card to show you today how to make using that same suite. So if you're ready, I'm going to go ahead and flip the camera and let's get started. So these are the cards that I have shown this week. I showed you how to make this fun rocker card. I showed you how to make this fun card following a challenge. And then these were just a couple other sample cards that I have made using this fun suite. So like I said, today's going to be another card using the suite, which is the Be My Valentine. It has this fun stamp set. It's got this coordinating punch, which is amazing. There's some great ribbon that coordinates with the designer series paper, which I showed you a lot of the designs here, and it's just an amazing suite. So today's card, we are ready. So I'm going to start off with a card base that is, hang on, 5. Grab my directions real fast so I don't tell you the wrong thing. It is 5.5 by 8. Okay, so just going to cut a little bit off at the end there. Okay, then I'm going to need a coordinating piece, same color basically, that is 6 by 3. So let's do 3 first, and let's do 6. All right, now this one is going to be scored at 4.25. So a little off center, and we'll fold that, okay? Back to this one, we are going to score this one. This was our 8 by 5.5. We're going to score it at 3 inches, 6 inches, and 7 inches. Okay. So on the side where the 3 inch is, you're going to make that a mountain fold. Use your bone folder so it's nice and crisp, okay? Then you're going to fold it up at the 6 inch. Then you're going to fold it down at the 7 inch. So it looks kind of like that. Okay? Now you've got your piece here, which is your 3 by 6 scored at 4.25 like that. Okay? Now we want to do some layers, okay? So if our card is sitting like this, we need a layer back here, okay? Which we're going to cut our cardstock to be, oops, do the inches side, Dina, 5.25 by 2 3/4. We're going to put our adhesive on here, and it is going to get centered right in there like that. Okay. Now let's do this little piece down here, which is going to be 5 inches. Oh, 5.25 inches. Is that right? 5.25 by 3/4. Okay, so the same length as the other one. By 3/4, and it's going to go right on here like that. And this is just a layer, a matted layer to put our designer series paper on. So for this one back here with the designer series paper, we're going to go down just 1/4 inch on both sides. So it's going to be 5 by 2.5. If you're using directional paper, be sure that it is going the right way. So I'm going to put it on there like that. And this piece down here is going to be 5 by 1/2. So just a little strip that's going to go right in there like that. All right. Then this little piece is going to be our step piece, okay? So this is basically a faux step card, I'm going to call it. So it's going to go right there. So we need a piece of cardstock for the back of it. So I have this one, which is 4 by 2 3/4. So we'll put our adhesive on there. Center this. And then the piece of designer series paper is just going to be a 1/4 inch smaller. So it is 5. Nope, it's not 5. It's 4. Let me measure it. 3 3/4 by 2 1/2. Go just like that. Okay, now we're ready to put it on our card. So I'm going to use my tear tape because I want this to stay. I don't want it may be tugged on a little bit and I don't want it coming off. So I'm going to put a piece right down at the bottom here. And I'm going to put a piece right up here. So let's take that off and that off. Now to put it on, I'm just going to center it, okay, along right here and adhere that. And then to adhere the back piece, I'm going to lay it down, fold these pieces down, and then fold that close like that. Okay, so then it looks like this. Okay, so it is just folded like that, and it gives it a faux step card look like that. Isn't that fun? I love this suite of products. I just think they are the cutest things. So now let's decorate a little bit. Okay, so where are my stamp pads? There it is. So I'm going to do a bee on this because why not? That's what you do when you use a bee products. So I'm just going to stamp that down there in Daffodil Delight. Then I want to get my black. And I'm going to do my bee body here. I'm going to look through and do that right like that. Ta-da! Let's give him a cute little face. There. We're going to give him some fun little antenna, which again, when I do this, I like to look at my punch upside down so I can see how to put it in. And I'm going to put it right over like that. And then my wings are going to go this way, and I'm going to put them in this space right like that. All right. Now it'll be nice and easy to punch all of this out. There is my cute little bee body. Let's do our antenna here. And let's do our wings. Right like that. So we got our wings, our bee body. Oops, there's our little antenna right over there. Okay. So I have been doing a wing layer of our vellum cardstock, and I really like the way it looks on here. So I'm going to do it again too. Now we're ready to put this little dude together. So I'm going to put a dot of adhesive at the bottom of my wing so that I can put this one right on top like that. Then we're going to put a little bit more adhesive, and we're going to stick that on there just like that. Okay, now my little antenna, again, just a dab of adhesive. Get him where we like him, just like that, and there's the cute little bee. He is awful dang adorable. All right, now I'm going to put some words on here. Let me pop him up when I'm ready. Let's do some words. What do we got? You're as sweet as honey. That's kind of cute. Let's do that. Okay, now I wonder, you know what? It's really long. Let's see if we can find a shorter one, and let's stamp it directly on there. How about, oh, I like the Be Mine. You make my heart buzz. That's cute too. You'll always be the one for me. That's cute too. Let's do that one. Okay. So I have picked a designer series paper that's not too awful busy. So I'm hoping, you know what? I think that may be asking a lot. Let's do the Be Mine. I'm afraid if I have to do that many layers of word after I've already put that on there, that's not going to work very well. So let's do this. Let's ink up the Be Mine, and I want to put it right on my designer series paper. Ta-da! Cute, cute, cute. And pop this aside. We're going to pop him up with a dimensional. Actually, let's use 2. Don't be stingy on the dimensionals, Dina. We'll do 2. Put him down here. And we're going to stick him right there like that. And there you go. Looky there. Another fun, cute card. You can't go wrong with this suite of products. I tell you, it is super, super cute. So there is today's card. It's my faux step card. I have a rocker card that I also did this month. And I have this one that I did that was following, like I said, my team challenge for the month. And then a couple more I have made. So I really have enjoyed playing with this suite of products. They are so, so fun. So I will put the links to order this stuff on the description of my video. If you have any questions, please let me know. Pop them in the comments and I will see them and get back with you as soon as possible with the response. But otherwise, I hope you are enjoying the Be Mine suite of products this month. And I guess that's it for now, and I will catch you guys next time.